Hello everyone. Today I'm taking you to Valledupar, Colombia and still rich in culture and tradition. Valledupar is the birthplace of Vallenato music, and style that blends indigenous, African and Spanish sound using the accordion, caja and guacharaca. Each year the Vallenato Legend Festival brings thousands together to celebrate and crown the Vallenato King, making it one of Colombia's most exciting events. The city indigenous communities like the Arhuaco and Cancuamo attach to its culture, the mating spiritual traditions, and the deep respect for nature and the Sierra Nevada mountains. Valledupar cuisine, with dishes like arepa de huevo and sancocho, brings people together and truly teach the region world. In Valledupar culture, isn't just preserved, it's like their strong music, festival and tradition. Thank you for joining me and this kids journey into Valledupar vibrant world.